What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Arlie, aka Young Garlic, coming to you with another day of our trading journal, the series we are doing here at Arcane. Follow me, a new trader. I've been trading about a year. Follow me on my progress and kind of giving new traders an idea of how another new trader learns. Tries to figure things out as we progress through this crazy world of options trading. Before we begin, as always, my links or our links are down below to our socials. Please come check those out. Follow us on those, like some of our content. We have daily content coming out. We actually just redid our Discord server and changed around some I guess settings, or just we've kind of moved stuff around where we are now alerting for free to every member in our Discord, free or not, or paid or not. I think we went 21 for 21 on alerts today. So putting out some good stuff for people. But yeah, it was a crazy day for me, guys. Up 8%, fourth green day in a row. Little gains would have been bigger gains if I would have held, but I'll show you what happened. Let's just say Google had to open their mouth and I got scared. But up 8% today. Traded Twitter, waiting on our gap fill down to the downside, but we're gonna just keep going. So let's see. Start the day off on our 1 minute here. Took my first short at 9:39. So I thought we were looking weak here, failing to get above this bearish pivot area, already below our short signal. Ended up closing this at 9:42 once we started breaking back above it. I could have held it and got some more gains, but I ended up re-entering at 9:48. So right here on this candle, literally the very top, and we closed it at 10:03 down here. All right, so perfect trade there. The first trade was a $12 loss. This one was a $31 gain. So we're green on the day so far, and this is where things start to get kind of crazy for us. Is this when it starts? No, this isn't where it starts getting crazy yet. Sorry if you hear Milo in the background. He is missing his mama, and she's in a meeting or something, so he's in the office with me. I shorted again at 1016, so again another decent entry on a short. Failed to make a new high here, and then I closed. I got stopped out at 1022 for a dollar gain, so not bad. Wanted to see this breakdown, but it didn't. And this is where stuff starts getting crazy because I kind of broke a rule, kind of didn't. I oversized, so I shorted at 1027. Alright, so all those we're failing to get over this. Bought two contracts, each $126 a piece, and then I held this, right? Even though we were down a lot monetarily, percent-wise, we went down like 25% to this move. And then I re-shorted again, I averaged down at 1058, and then we kind of break above. But this whole uptrend to me, guys, seemed like more of a reaction to this, because it's super weak. Like if you look at our volume down here, like this isn't really strong volume, and the price action doesn't look that strong. Right, we see some strong bullish candles, but overall, like, they're not that strong, right? And then once I saw this, I knew that we were in for a downturn sooner or later. And we got our downturn, and it was about here. I think I was down like 5%, and we got a news candle. This, I was so scared. This is the first time I've ever got caught up in a news candle before. Google tweeted something about Twitter being a good long-term investment or something, and I went down $200 on this trade. I was terrified. But I held because I'm still bearish on Twitter. At least for now. I need to go back and look at the 30-minute and see if we're still bearish on it. But we're in this gap fill zone. I think we will retrace, like, back up to, so yeah, we're holding a 272 floor, bounce off a 2618. I think we'll retrace back up to this area, this 46, maybe 47 area, before we get our gap fill, but I do think our gap fill is coming. Our downtrend's starting to slow. This might be a good long tomorrow, but I'm betting on us even failing here at 46.5, because we see like we just rejected this area. So I'm still short on it, but I'm going to be probably longing this tomorrow, just because you can see our downtrend is slowed. It's kind of flattening out. But if we do just keep flirting with this gap fill, I will still be playing shorts. It's gonna be weird tomorrow. Fridays are usually weird, but we'll see. But I ended up holding this through all this craziness, right? And I was able to close one contract at 1202, another one down here at 1203, and then I closed the rest at 1211. So we started breaking back up. So got out green, right? Actually, pretty good trade for us here. Then after that, I think I tried to scalp, lost $10 on one, and then gained $2 on another. But the scalp was good. If I look, I entered at 1211. Kind of, I mean, it was an early entry. This is why I downsize and don't trade much towards the end of the day, because I kind of get weird aggressive. But I entered here because we were making higher highs, but I should have waited because we have these levels here that we have to break through. So I could have seen that we were going to bounce off this trend line and continue up. And if this was a 45.5 call, so I would have went in the money on this and we would have got some nice action. But it is what it is. And then we were just watching SPY a lot today too. I've been trading SPY along with any Twitter trades I take. So if you see at 1248 how we start breaking down really hard on SPY, right? We top out here, we come down, retest our demand zone, and then we kind of stall in this supply zone, right? Because if you look at the 5-minute, you can tell, like, or even the 10-minute, you can tell this is a big supply zone for us. We get above it, then we immediately break down through it again. So we get here, and once we're here and we start breaking down, this is where I was confident in reshorting Twitter. Or not, this is 1058, excuse me. Let me see. It was here that I reshorted Twitter. And I was okay with this because it was breaking out, but it was really weak. Alright. I remember seeing this and being like, damn, this is really weak. Because you see it's topping, it's wicking, it's coming down. Can I get my volume up here? Let me see. Right, and you can see our bull volume is we're breaking, we're like our volume's decreasing in this trend, this uptrend, right? And then it gets about here, and then we see it start ticking back up into our downtrend, and then our downtrend, our volume stalls out again, and then we just kind of have low volume to the end of the day, and then we see some big runs. But and this is where I ended up closing everything down here where SPY started bouncing. I kind of thought we were going to curl over, right? But we didn't. But it's okay. I really wish I had more buying power though, because this would have been such an easy short to take. Right? Like you see our level here. Right? Like such an easy short right here. But yeah, I think we're gonna go back up because this is weird. I think we might go back up the next couple of days and then come down for a gap fill. But yeah. So that's all I got for you guys today. Crazy day. Managed to get out 8%. First, I'm gonna go back and check really quick. How do I pull up my P&L calendar on? Can you do a P&L calendar on? What's it called? On desktop? I don't know if you can. This is account P&L. I don't want price ladder. I don't want that. I don't want banking. I see you, Bubba. I see you. Excuse me. Goodness. I'm just gonna do it on my phone really quick. I'm sitting here with you guys. Sorry to keep y'all waiting. I don't think I've ever gone 4 green days in a row. Not with decent sized gains. I mean, these could be bigger, like Big D. I know he's on a small account too, started the challenge for it. And he has ripped. I think he's at 3K already on just playing Twitter puts. Well, that's nice. I'm trying to learn to trade and be profitable all the time. Right, so let's go back to April. 3 green days, most there. 3 green days. There's a 4 green week, not 4 in a row though. Another 4 green week. God, going back and looking through all the times I've nuked a port, it's sad. Yeah, I don't think I've ever had 4 green days in a row. So I'm excited about that. I got humbled today a little bit though. Oh, there's 4 green days in a row. They're small. But I did get humbled today because that was scary. So I'm not ready to oversize yet, right? I'm getting better with my entries though. So, you know, we're improving. Sorry, I'm just looking through my calendar. Yeah, I just hit a year trading. I took 4 months off, but I started trading January last year, so I'm on my first year of trading. But our entries are getting better, right? This wasn't a bad entry over here. I think next time I'm just gonna size down. I like playing close to the money though, because we see some nice green, but like this here would have been an ideal entry, this lower high, right? And then I'm just trading ranges, like here to here is almost $1. I mean, it's good money to be made there. And then here to here, another $1, and then here to here is a $2. Just gonna keep keeping things simple. So we'll see what we can keep doing in the tomorrow. Maybe we can go 5 for 5 on the week. Gonna size down a little bit. We have been trading good. I think I went like 3 for 4 trades today, but just need to get better. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you tuning in. As always, please check out our links down below. Weeble is down there as well. If you want to swap brokers or start day trading, please use my link, and we get some free stocks when you sign up and deposit some monies. But until then, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a good evening. Love you guys. Peace.